Hello everyone. Today we are going to see a tasty and spicy prawn stir fry. Come, let's see how to make it. I'm G from G's Kitchen. So for the prawn fry, here I have taken all the ingredients. First let's marinate the prawns with little bit of masala. It's little bit of salt, turmeric and some fish masala. You can use red chili powder as well. Mix this well. You don't have to marinate this too long. You just have to mix it and start frying it. Now I have mixed the prawns. Let's start frying this. Once the pan is hot, I'm going to add in oil. I'm not going to add more because I'm going to use the same oil to make the stir fry. That's when it comes along with the flavors of the prawn. Once the oil is hot, let's add in the prawns batch by batch and fry them. It would not take long, just maybe 2 to 3 minutes. The prawn should be ready. We are going to cook this with the masalas again, so it's enough if it cooks about 70 to 80%. Now the first batch of prawns are ready. Let's take it out. So here I have fried all the prawns and this is what oil I have left with. So I am going to add in little bit more. Little bit more oil, not much. And I am going to add in 1 cup of finely chopped onions. We need to add at least 1 cup so that it caramelizes and gives the nice taste for this recipe. A simple tip for the beginners: if you are using a cloth like this, always make sure the cloth is wet so that you don't get contact with the fire. Keep the flame in high so that the onions cook well. While the onions are cooking, here I have crushed some fresh cloves. I'm going to add that in as well. In goes some pandan leaves. And some curry leaves. Add little bit of salt. Salt always to your taste. When the onions have started browning, you can add in garlic. I have added about 7 to 8 garlic cloves, chopped finely. Cook this until the garlic and onions are nicely cooked until it is caramelized. Now it has started caramelizing. At this point, reduce the flame to medium. because if you continue keeping on high, you will burn the onions. Now let's add little bit of tomatoes, not much, just half a tomato. And little bit of turmeric powder. Mix well. Once the tomatoes are soft, here I have taken about 1.5 tablespoon of red chili flakes. I'm going to add this in. It depends on how spicy you want it to be. And together I'm adding some tamarind juice. This is concentrated tamarind, so I have diluted it with little bit of water. Mix this well. Check for salt, and at this point, check for salt at this point, and if you want you can add in more. And at this point, once you have added the chili flakes, make sure your flame is in low. Add little bit salt more, and I'm going to add in the prawns. Mix well. Let the prawn absorb the juices and the flavors. Once mix this well, I'm going to leave it to cook for about 5 to 6 minutes. Then our tasty prawn stir fry will be ready. You don't have to cover it. When you cover it, it tends to ooze out water. We don't want it to ooze out any water, so just cook it on open lid. Finally, before switching it, just add in about 3/4 teaspoon of pepper powder and mix well and switch off the flame. I hope you all can see on the edges oil has separated. At this point we can give it a stir, and switch off the flame. After adding pepper, this might take only 1 to 2 minutes, that's all. Tasty prawn stir fry is ready. Make this at home and enjoy with your family and friends. Let me meet you with another interesting recipe. Thank you.